Hello everyone, I'm back again with another great video. Welcome back to the Jarao Moses channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy the Afen token, which is from the Afen blockchain, using Trust Wallet on Pancakeswap. So as usual, you open Trust Wallet. As you can see, it's loading. It takes a few minutes. I have to authenticate. Failed the pin. It opened. So I have smart chain, that's $18. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use roughly $10 to buy the Afen token. So the token, let me give a brief description of what the token is. So this is the token we are going to buy. This is the price current on CoinGecko, is $0.01. So you click on show info. The website is afengroup.com. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. So the website is here open. This is the token we are going to buy. Afen Blockchain Group, revolutionizing opportunities through blockchain. If we read slowly, scroll about us, I'll just give a brief description of what the project does. Afen is Africa's leading NFT project with the aim to revolutionize key potential sectors, namely arts, real estate, and education. The Afen project has gone past preliminary stage to involve a team of enthusiastic cryptocurrency marksmen, adequately skilled and ready to deliver a working platform for the exchange of digital assets, facilitation of real estate investments, and blockchain education. Afen is powered by the Afen token, which we are going to buy. Our services range from a decentralized NFT in the marketplace for the exchange. Let me just scroll through. We have Afen and education, Afen and real estate, Afen and arts, then the tokenomics, but I'll not talk about that. So let's go back to Trust Wallet. This is Trust Wallet. We're back to Trust Wallet. So we go to Pancakeswap. The notification is giving me problems. So we open our Trust Wallet. Here we are. We have $18 of smart chain, so I'll use roughly $10 or $11. So we click on dApps and then we go to Pancakeswap. As you can see from my history, I've done some previous transactions before, so I can just click on Pancakeswap, or I can come down here, click this Pancakeswap. The network has to be or must be the Binance Smart Chain. So it's loading, it's taking a few seconds depending on how fast or quick your internet is. Here you are. Pancakeswap wants to connect to your wallet. Obviously, let's connect, approve. Here we go. So here we want to, I first want to find out exactly how many dollars I want to convert BUSD into BNB. I just want to see how many BNB exactly are worth $10. So which means I'm going to buy, okay, let me say $11, I think. $11. That's what we're going to buy. So that is 0.0273069 worth of BNB. Okay. Okay. So the token we are going to buy we said it's Afen. So we go back to CoinGecko. And we copy the contract address from CoinGecko. Here we are, copy it here, copied. You come back here to Trust Wallet. You search for the token, paste. It's taking a few seconds. So no results found. It's just a network glitch. It's here. Import the token. Import it. They are going to warn us unknown source, but we are sure this is the token because we got it from the official CoinGecko link to this address. So I understand the risks. Import. Here we go. So remember, you wanted to, in the previous steps we did, we wanted to buy roughly $12, which I copied somewhere. So that's 0.02473. Anyway, I want to buy roughly 10,000. So let me just add this. I want to buy 1,000 Afen. Let me put a 5 here. Maybe another figure. Good. I want 1,000. I want 1,000 tokens. Let me just add here 10. I want 1,000 tokens. So we say swap. So confirm swap. Waiting for confirmation. Confirm transaction. A few seconds again. So the maximum total is 10.69. So the fees are 0.37. So approve. Loading. Transaction submitted. We can close this. Just after a few seconds, you're going to get a notification. We shall get a notification from, yes, exactly, it's here. It's here, smart call executed. So we are done. We go back to our Pancakeswap. Good, we are here. So we bought tokens worth $10, as you can see. We successfully bought 1,000 tokens that were worth $10. So that is how we buy the Afen token using Pancakeswap on Trust Wallet. So if you like this video, you can send it to some of your friends who would want to learn how to buy this token. So like, comment, and subscribe, and send to your friends. Thank you.